How to change the press of the lower button of your Amazfit Balance smartwatch, or perhaps any other Amazfit smartwatches that are 2022 and up smartwatch models. Okay, so this is the single press of the button here, not the long press. And if you wanted to access another function, here's where you can go to do this. Okay, so basically, let's just come out of here, starting from the clock face view mode, wherever your clock face is here. What you want to do is use the quick panel access, swiping from the top, go down like this, go to settings. And once in the settings section here, you will go down until you see preferences. So go down to preferences here, right there. And you will see all these different preferences options, and you're going to look for the press lower button option. As you tap on that, you'll start from here, okay? And this here now, for this button here, whichever one you select will access that. So instead of it set to the workout option, which is the default option here, you can choose another option for you to access one of these instead of the workout option. So all of that here. And maybe I wanted to access the heart rate. So every time I want to just check my heart rate, I want to be making sure that I'm okay here. So I'll set it to the heart rate here. And wherever I am right now on my watch here, once I press this button, that's going to take me to the heart rate and measure my heart rate. Okay. And that's that. You can change that at any given time, like and so.